Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get what do you mean filter on TikTok. Okay, so I'm in TikTok camera. For this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so now I'm in trending section. Here slide right until you see interactive. Okay, go there. Okay, you will see this effect, but this is not the effect. What do you mean? This is the effect that you are going to use. Remember this image, tap on it. The effect name is caption this freeze frame. Okay, make some face. Okay, likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from your effect gallery, then you can go to discover also, and here you can search for caption this freeze frame. On the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, so you are in the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there to use this effect. Likewise, okay, make some face. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, go to this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and open it with TikTok. Okay, so you are in the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Okay.